Nĩ ngatho cia mwanya mwĩrori wa Kĩheo TV nĩ gũkorwo kĩnyitana na ithuĩ tarĩki nĩ 30 nĩ Jumatatũ njega na ndathime ya mweri wa Kĩhu nyiteni kĩondo gitu kĩa mohoro kĩwĩre atĩ tũrĩ tayari gũkorwo tũgĩkũnengereria ũkũihũra marĩa matinda makĩhanĩka. Niĩ njĩtagwo Irimũ wa Wanjirũ na mũtwathĩi na njĩra ya ciko etagwo Sharon mwarĩ wa Gĩcũhĩ. Tũkĩambĩrĩria nĩ atĩ andũ ethĩ kaunti ya Meru nĩ mambĩtie kambĩini ya Niko Kadi ithenya-inĩ rĩa gũtigĩrĩra arunao nĩ meyandĩkithia ta aikia a kura nĩguo gũkanyita itemi gĩthurano-inĩ twerekeire mwaka ũkĩte na gũkorwo atĩ nĩ magacagũra atongoria arĩa mekwĩyendera. Mayugĩte marenda gũcagũra atongoria maratungata mũingĩ na ningĩ arĩa maramũrĩka mathĩna ma andũ ethĩ.
We want to raise the bar for Meru County from where we are to up to 1.2 million voters. Tuko kandi?
Tuko tayari.
Kandi yako?
Sauti yako.
We want to mobilize in whole 9 constituencies of Meru County. Tunataka to make sure to register enough voters.
Naimiza the young people, the old people, nyinyi wote mjitokeze, mkuje, tuchukue kura ndio 2027 tupige ile inaitwa kipindi ya finale na ndio tutaweza kuchagua watu wenye tunataka. We can do this guys. Hebu tujitokezeni tuchukue vote.
Kama kaunti ya Meru tunahitaji kura milioni 1 ile minimum kabisa ndio tuweze kupata fair bargaining power in the national government hata kupata national cake. We need a mass voter registration tufikisha ile milioni 1 ndio tuweze kupata umaarufu ama nguvu kama kaunti yetu ya Meru. Kwa hivyo vijana wa hii kaunti tumejitokeza ndio tuweze ku make sure kaunti yetu inahesabika pale kwa zile kaunti ambazo ziko juu kabisa katika upigaji wa kura na ziko na numbers ya muhimu ndio ya kunegotiate kwa national government na kunegotiate pia kwa miradi ndio iweze kufika hapa Meru.
Mimi nataka kuambia viongozi wale ambao tunawania nao viti katika mwaka hii ya 2027 ya kwamba mmeona vile Gen Z wamekuwa na shinda kwa muhula huu ambao umepita. Wamekuwa na issues mingi sana kwa serikali ile iko. Tukishaguliwa 2027 tuhakikisha kwamba tumeweka Gen Z na wale young people kwa mstari wa mbele na tuwasikize agenda zao, because ile tunafanya kama viongozi tukichaguliwa tunasahau kwamba Gen Z wako na agenda zao, wako na mambo yao na wanataka ifanywe na tuwasikizi. Tunawatafuta tu wakati wa kura kuwapea pesa. So nimesema from 2027 Gen Z mkuwe tayari. Mkipigia mtu kura na muone ana agenda yenu ndio mnachukua kura sahihi ndio muondoe hiyo wakati mwingine. Ile ndio fagia, mnaweza fagia. Lazima fagia 2027. Mnafagia?
We have a target to achieve as a county. We want to reach, tunasema a minimum of 1 million votes plus. Juu ukiangalia the people wenye wamemaliza high school, wenye walikuwa for so long hawakuwa wana vote, because ukiangalia our people have lost trust in the leadership that we have. Ukiangalia Meru these days we have been trading kwa kila side kila nini, na tunaambia vijana this is our time and this is the only way that we can change our country. Juu tukitokea huko nje tunaenda tunapigwa marisasi tukisema ni maandamano, tunauliwa, tunatumia masubaru, lakini kura yako ndio sauti yako. Ndio maana tunasema leo tunahimiza vijana kama leo our target ya launching ilikuwa around 50,000 votes, then the overall target at least 1 million.
Nyabara wa Minista Musalia Mudavadi nĩ ateteire itua rĩa thirikari nene rĩa kũrutithania wĩra na thirikari ya kaunti ya Nairobi. Akĩaria arĩ mbere ya kamĩtĩ ya Senate ĩgiĩ woi wa mahinya, Mudavadi akiugĩte ũtungata kaunti-inĩ ĩno ũkoretwo ũhotomete na nĩkĩo ũrarũmbũiyo na ngirimiti ĩno. Oho akiugĩte ti wĩra wa kaunti woirwo nĩ thirikari nene, ĩndĩ nĩ njĩra ya gũkorwo atĩ nĩ honge cigĩrĩ nĩirarutithania wĩra nĩguo gũtungata mũingĩ.
Almighty God, we beseech you to behold with your abundant favor and blessings as your
national government is fully in charge of those foreign and diplomatic missions, and it is the face of Kenya in terms of branding. So there was a conversation around that, and that law was put there to also acknowledge that the county government of Nairobi, just through only equitable share, may actually end up being burdened a lot if the national government does not take some of that responsibility. And that's why the first thing we are asking, pay your bills. You want to give 80 billion, but pay these other bills. If you pay the bills, and then maybe we'll have more lighting and things like that.
You know, last time we had also the NMS guys who have been taking part of responsibility for the national, for the county, for Nairobi city, and they left a huge bill pending, and those bills have not been cleared, and we have received so many concerns from the contractors and service providers, and actually the committee also wanted to know what is the position of those pending bills and how will it be handled, and how will the new agreement between the two governments will be able to easily execute it without much ado.
Under the Intergovernmental Relations Act, county governments and the national government are already cooperating. Even within the framework of revenue sharing, we are already cooperating. So it is not an alien concept, as it were. Now, the difference in this is that this is a cooperation agreement, and it is not a transfer of functions. The NMS was a transfer of functions. This one is not a transfer of functions. It is purely around coordination.
Originally, Nairobi was formed in 1899, and it used to be a swamp for the Maasai to water their cows. Has that been taken into consideration to ensure that we will not be building castles in the air? And there are plans to decongest Nairobi, because you have said that the congestion in Nairobi is in the informal sector. What if these informal sectors are actually built close to riparian lands, which over time have been, the rivers have reduced in size because of
Ripoti cia ngucanio ya migunda ni undu tari mugeni matu-ini ma andu na niguo gwetha kihonia giki thirikari ni ikirire makiria hari kwa muingi taito cia mugunda kuria mihango ino yambikitwo mwena wa Shara guku ni kaunti ya Tana River. Senator wa kaunti no Danson Mungatana akiugite ni mubango ugutwarithio na mbere o mundu egire taito yake.
Waifahinzano wa dandu. Watu hawa wote wanahangaika.
Sisi tumekuja hapa kusupport hii program na tunataka kuambia Kondetu Ranch na zile ranches zingine ya kwamba sisi kama viongozi tunasimama nyuma yenu. Mkiwa na shida yoyote tutashikana na tutahakikisha hizo shida tunazitatua. Hapa tunajua kuna ranch ya Kitangale, kuna zile zingine. Kukiwa na shida yoyote tushikane na sisi tutatatua hizo shida.
Kwa hivyo sisi tukue na akili. Wapwani wengine wameendelea mbele. Hii Coast Region, ukienda Taita Taveta watu wote wako na hatimiliki. Ukienda Kwale watu wako na hatimiliki. Ukienda Mombasa watu wako na hatimiliki. Ukikuja Kilifi watu wako na hatimiliki. Ikifika pale boda inaruka inaenda Lamu, hatimiliki inaenda kupewa watu wa Lamu. Sisi watu wa Tana River tuko na fitina, serikali inaturuka kila siku, tuko na maneno. Mnielewa? Lakini sasa tunataka watu wetu wamiliki ardhi. Ndio maana hii ardhi yetu ya Tana River watu wanaona ni ardhi ya bure, kila mtu anakuja kuingia. Ama nyewe mna uchungu? Sisi kama waongozi hatuna raha.
Tukimako ututhie kuria Kilifi, aikari wodi ya Mwanamwinga gicigo-ini kia Obuge gia Kaloleni uku ni kaunti ya Kilifi maikarite na haho ya gukorwo micii yao ni gukorwo ikioyo thutha wa mugunda wa eka 3,000 uria uri Kaya Fungo akuheo taito rungu rwa thirikari ya kaunti ya Kilifi. Ni morotete thirikari ya kaunti ino ni gukorwo ati ni ya mahenirie kona yambite kuga onio magukorwo mahetwo taito icio.
Waifahinzano wa dandu. Watu hawa wote wanahangaika. hawajui hatima yao itakuwaje.
Ni kweli
Watu hawalali, kila kukicha wakiona gari imeingia huku wameingiwa na wasiwasi. Tunaambiwa kwamba kuna investor ambaye ameuziwa hizo ekari 3,000. Na nani? Je, tutauliza nani yule ambaye ameuza hizo ekari 3,000?
Mustahiki Gavana Mung'aro, tunakuomba ujitokeze kimasomaso, uje utupatie jibu la shamba letu hili. Juzi ulituma watu wakaja wakatupimia masurvey, ukatuahidi utatuletea title deed zetu. Ndiyo sasa kama ni investor akuje moja kwa moja kupitia kwetu. Inakuwaje saa hii tunaambiwa kuna ekari 3,000 zimepeanwa tayari na zimetolewa title deed, zile zetu hatujapewa.
Hali iliyo huku ni ngumu kwa sababu hata pale unapolima haujulikani kwamba walima shamba Mchina ama walima kwako. Linatusikitisha sana. Tunamuomba Bwana Mung'aro popote atakapopata hizi habari, hili alichukulie kwa uzito. Ikiwezekana aje kabla tarehe Jumatano wa wiki hii ambayo tunaianza, aje pamoja na mbunge ambaye yeye mwenyewe ashawahi kututambulisha kwamba yeye ni mwanakiti wa kamati ya ardhi Kenya nzima. Itakuwaje sehemu yake kunyakuliwe eka 3,000 na wananchi hawajajua watapelekwa wapi?
Mradi ni haki na mradi uko na manufaa. Hatuseme hatuna kataa, lakini ila kwanza tupe title deed zetu kwanza tushike, and then ukuje ikuwe ni free and fair sell and buy. Akuje mteja tumuzie sisi wenyewe. Lakini habari ya kwamba unakuja kutuletea mradi wakati tuko in a blind position, mheshimiwa, tumekataa.
Tunaomba haki yetu, hatuko tayari kupoteza shamba letu kama Mwanamwinga. Tunalipenda shamba letu. Ikiwa mtu yuko tayari kununua, ni akuje kwa mtu binafsi mwenye yuko tayari kuuza shamba lake kibinafsi. Sio kuuza Mwanamwinga mzima bila idhini ya wananchi wa Mwanamwinga.
Nĩ ngatho hau twakinya tũkorwo tũgĩkĩria oro hanini nĩ tũracokereria na ingĩ na riboti ingĩ cigĩmainie makĩria na woi wa kura.
Ino ni ceceni ya Kiheo TV, kihumo kia witikiriku.
Nĩ wĩharĩirie kuoya kĩa mbere harĩ kĩrĩa wĩriragĩria gũthoma. Ndũgathĩnĩke rĩngĩ rĩu kuona Jewel Technical College marĩ haha nĩ ũndũ waku. Tũthomithagia kothi itiganĩte ta Journalism and Media Studies nĩguo memerekia, Hospitality Management nĩguo rugi, Cosmetology and Beauty Therapy nĩmo maũndũ megiĩ no thaka, ICT, Electronic Engineering, Healthcare and Caregiving na makĩria moguo. Nĩ tũrĩ na thiomi cia nanja nĩcio Korean language o hamwe na German. Tucerere Complex gorofa ya 6 kũrigania na TRM. No tũhũrĩre namba 0701 nĩyo 0701 300 071 kana no tucerere rũrenda-inĩ rwitũ nĩ ruo gcollege.ac.ke. Jewel Technical College, the fear of the Lord is beginning of wisdom.
Experience experience ile tu nayo atathuriri ni ati mutumia gitweka empowered muri kamwena ke kamwena we rĩngĩ ũgakoreria decisions ciake matua make wona wa macharage mutingeiguithania tondu niwe umana mbeca tiwe umana mbeca na in fact Maureen unfortunately uguo niguo kuhana
hena we uria wari we wikaire tukaria kari very ambitious no cio nowe mutumira twenda gucokia tumwire atiriri wende no cokererie kwimenya kuu twaririe uhoro waku umenye value yaku umenye wendaga gutwika ki ucokerere uria we wari
divorce re ni kido it is there, it is real, it is something real. No hĩndĩ andũ matigana rĩ nĩ ũkoraga atĩ kwĩna ũngĩ wakwĩna nginya tangĩrũga nginya mũtwe tondũ wakiugo tu gũtigana.
Mũthuri ũyũ nĩ ararĩha nyũmba, mũthuri ũyũ nĩ ararĩhĩra ciana school fees tondũ those are the basic need. Ndũrĩ handũ ũngĩũrĩra kũrĩha nyũmba, ndũrĩ handũ ũngĩũrĩra kũrĩhĩra ciana school fees na irio. Koguo twamba kuga twambe tũiganĩre kũgũra irio, rent na school fees. Maya mangĩrĩ tiga kũhanyũkia mũthuri.
Shararũkũ ũkĩreherwo nĩ Wanjirũ wa Waithaka. Mwambĩrĩrio kwambĩrĩria thaa 2 cia hwaĩ-inĩ. Tabarĩra ya kũrimũtha ĩrĩa ĩkoretwo ĩgũkinyĩra o mũthenya wa mwambĩrĩrio kinyagia wa kana thaa 4 cia rũcinĩ kinyagia thaa 7 cia mĩaraho rĩu yũkĩte na nditi nene mũno makĩria. Rĩu tabarĩra ya kũrimũtha ũgĩterevwo na your number 1 microphone commander Kamau wa Waithera KW. Kama marĩ hamwe na women rep Susan wa Ngoro
atũthiĩte wega aste
ĩrĩ gũkinyagira kwambĩrĩria thaa 5 cia rũcinĩ kinyagia thaa 7 cia mĩaraho rĩu ĩrĩ na mwarahũko wa magegania mathaa merĩ ma rwĩmbo tu mwago ũtangĩtigĩka. Mwangaza wa Neno FM, ceceni ya redio ĩrĩa ĩkũrehagira umemerekia muthuranire o muthenya wa mwambĩrĩrio kinyagia gatano. Tabarĩra ciĩhotanĩire kwambĩrĩria rũcinĩ kinya hwaĩ-inĩ thaa 11 kinyagia thaa 4 cia rũcinĩ. Nyitanagĩra na Esther wa Mathenge the Kingdom Lady thĩinĩ wa Gĩthima rũcinĩ thaa 8 nginya thaa 10 ũkanyitanĩra na Celestine Waka the Favored One thĩinĩ wa tabarĩra ya Shangwe. Igĩkinyĩria thaa 10 ũkaingĩra kĩberereki thĩinĩ wa tabarĩra ya ngwatanĩro na Kamau wa Waithera KW. Mũgaterevana kinyagia thaa 2 cia ũtukũ nakuo kwambĩrĩria thaa 2 kinyagia thaa 5 cia ũtukũ ukanyitanĩra na Susan wa Ngoro the women rep thĩinĩ wa tabarĩra ya ikũmbĩ rĩa kĩgoco.
Ĩno nĩ ceceni ya Kĩheo TV, kĩhumo kĩa wĩtĩkĩrĩku.
Na nĩ ngatho twacokereria oro rĩngĩ mũikarĩri gĩtĩ wa komishona ya IEBC Erastus Ethekon nĩ ahũrĩte Shafi mũbango wa kwĩyandĩkithia ta aikia a kura gũkũ nĩ kaunti ya Kwale. Kũringana na Ethekon akiugĩte nĩ magwĩka ũrĩa wothe makũhota gũtigĩrĩra andũ nĩ meyumĩria kwa wĩingĩ hatarĩ mũndũ ona ũmwe gũtigwo na thutha.
Gari hii inapoondoka na chairman wetu wa IEBC anaposhika bendera ile.
We call upon the county administration, all the political leaders, the civil society, education institutions, influencers in social media and in many other places, the grassroots leaders to mobilize so that we encourage all those who are eligible to register as voters to come out in large numbers to register.
Mimi nawaomba ndugu zangu wa Shimoni, ni tunu imetufikia leo. Ndugu zangu wa Pemba, wa Makonde, wa Kifundi, nafasi ndio hii, tujiandikishe, tusiache safari hii tukawa na kura kidogo. Tuandikishe, tuwe na kura nyingi. Ikifika wakati wa kuchagua ni hiari yako, ndivyo ama sivyo?
Takwimu hapa Pwani zinaonyesha ya kwamba tuko na potential ya kuweza kuwa na kura zaidi ya 2.5 milioni. Kwa hivyo ni sisi sasa tuchukue jukumu la moja kwa moja, tuhakikisha ya kwamba hii exercise ambayo kitaifa imefanyika hapa kwetu, na sisi tuchukue hiyo advantage, tuhakikisha kwamba tunafanya uandikishaji wa kura ambao ni wa kihistoria.
Kwa hivyo leo tuambie vitambulisho vitafika hadi wapi? Mashinani. Najua serikali kuu iko na mipango, lakini tunaomba maafisa wafike hadi mashinani. Ndugu zangu wa IEBC, tunawapatia hongera mwenyekiti wetu kwa kufika hadi shimoni, lakini isiwe mwisho.
Tumepewa nafasi ya kuongeza idadi yetu na sauti yetu katika serikali. Tuna nafasi murwa saa hizi sisi kusikika pale kwa serikali ya William Samoei Ruto. Na nafasi hiyo na sauti hiyo ndio ili maendeleo yazidi kumiminika hapa kaunti ya Kwale.
Naomba niseme ya kwamba kama tume tukiongozwa na chairman wetu Erastus Ethekon Akianani, sisi tuko independent, lakini haimaanishi ya kwamba tuko hapa kwa niaba ya mwanasiasa yoyote. Sisi kama tume tuko hapa kwa niaba ya sisi, na tutatembea nchi nzima, sawa sawa.
Bara igiakagiriria mabũrũri-inĩ ma Kĩarabu anyitĩte itemi sector-inĩ ya waki makiugĩte indo cia gwaka rĩu nĩ kwambatĩra. O maugĩte mathĩna mangĩ magũmĩire sector ĩno nĩ thogora wa thitima, indo cia ngobio na andũ a maigĩrĩra.
So of course this is topical right now, you know, with the global tensions that we have, and indeed there's been increases on account of cost of you know, freight and also other input materials. This is very topical at the moment, but we are well prepared as MRM, you know, to handle that. We have for our materials and all our needs, we have a very solid, robust supply chain planning system, and which ensures that whatever we need for the coming several months, we have it in place well in advance. So our customers do not need to worry about product availability, because we have measures in place that have been taken to ensure that no material is missing, and that there'll be continuity of supply from MRM. And as the situation evolves, we will also be taking countermeasures, of course exploiting the fact that we are multi-country operation, and we also have very solid relationships, not only within the region and within Kenya, but also globally. So no issues. Our customers should feel at ease, because the products that we are giving them to build the society will be available.
Twekirire gaturumu hau mohoro mangi ukwamukira wona cihanda thaa 3 ni njitagwo irimwa wa Njiru mutwathi na njira ciko etagwo Sharon mwaro wa Gicuhi atucemano na cihanda thaa 3 gwa thaa ici wiro tabarira ya twari shararuku.